In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dates on Booking.com reservation. If your plans shifted and you need different check-in or checkout days, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so your change goes smoothly and you avoid surprise fees. Start by opening Booking.com in your browser or the official app and go to your profile. You'll find the profile icon at the top of the page on desktop, and in the app, it's typically on the bottom menu. Make sure you're signed into the same account you used to make the reservation because your bookings are tied to that login. From your profile menu, choose Bookings and Trips. This takes you to your list of upcoming and past reservations. If you have several trips, use the filters or scroll to find the one you want to modify. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct property, city, and date range you're trying to adjust. Open the booking you want to change by selecting it. On the booking details page, you'll see key information like room type, guest count, and the property's policies. It's helpful to quickly review the rate conditions here. Some reservations are flexible and allow changes, while others, especially non-refundable or last-minute deals, may restrict date changes or involve a fee or price difference. Look for the three dots or the More Options menu on the booking page and select it. This menu houses actions related to your reservation, and it's the quickest route to the tools you need. Choose Change Dates. If you don't see this option, the reservation might not be eligible for date changes due to the property's rules, minimum stay requirements, or the original rate type. In that case, consider checking the policy section on the page to understand your alternatives, as availability and flexibility vary by property. On the Change Dates screen, pick your new check-in and checkout dates, then select Check Availability. Booking.com will search for the same room type and guest setup across your new dates. If the property has rooms available for those dates, you'll see updated options along with any price differences, taxes, or fees that apply. Keep in mind that weekend nights, holidays, or peak seasons can change the nightly rate, and some places require a minimum number of nights. Also note that availability is shown in real time, so if you don't see what you want, try slightly different dates or adjust your stay length. That's it. By following these steps, profile, bookings and trips, selecting your booking, opening the three-dot menu, choosing change dates, and checking availability, you'll be on track to update your reservation with confidence. Once you proceed on screen, you'll receive confirmation reflecting your new dates.